Did you know horses are the only form of transportation that people don't think they need education to ride? Every car on the road, people have a driver's license. They went to driver's ed. Every plane in the sky, people went to pilot school. Even trains on tracks, they went to conductor school. They're on a track. They can't get lost. But this 1,200-pound animal that has a mind of its own, and oh, did I mention, he's a prey animal. People think, oh, I'm just going to swing a leg over you and it's going to be all right. It's not. It's not. Help me help you. Educate yourself before you ride off on your horse. Join the free 30-day horse help challenge. Hey, I'm Michael Gascon, the horse guru, a fifth-generation horse trainer that's been blessed and fortunate to travel around the world and work with some of the world's most problematic horses. And it's my mission to help 1 million horse owners learn how to confidently, safely, and successfully train their horses from home for free and remember how to have fun again. But why free? Because I know after the 30-day challenge, you'll have the confidence and education you need to help your horses, your future horses, even your friends' horses. If being confident and safe with your horse is what you're searching for, click the link to join the 30-day horse help challenge.